Good day, guys. Hope you are doing fine. So you are welcome to these 2 days of free training where you'll be learning about the smartphone graphics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access and manipulate this PixelLab. So once you open PixelLab, this is how it's going to show. Okay, this is the interface. I'll be explaining all the icons to you one after the other. Okay, so can you see this plus icon at the top left? The plus icon, once you click on it, you have some drop down. So all this drop down is, the first one is text. Okay, when you are designing, you can bring in your text through that place. Then you can bring in dates as well. Okay, that one is default. Then you can bring in stickers. You know what stickers are? Okay, so you can bring in shape from there too. Okay, once you click on shape, you look below here, menu will come down. Then the menu, once you click on this shape that is shown in the menu, to bring out various shapes. Can you see? So that's that. Let me change the background so that you see the shape. Can you see? So if you click on that plus again, the next one is from gallery. That from gallery will take you to your phone, your device, in case you want to bring something, you want to import something from your device. Then the last one is draw. Okay, can you see the drop down menu? Okay, you can use it to draw. It's a brush. You can set the sizing. Can you see? So go ahead and check it out. Okay, but we won't be needing that for this training. So the next icon that looks like a disk is where you can save your work. Can you see? You can save as project. Saving as project means saving your work as on PixelLab. Okay, in case you have to come and edit it. Then save as image simply means saving into your device. Okay, the third icon is where you can share. We all know the share icon. You can save and share directly from here too. Then the one that has close a mark, okay, it's like memes, quotes. Okay, the next icon close to the share icon is like memes, where you pick motivational word. Okay, it's default. It comes with PixelLab. And you always desire to learn something useful. When you need words for your design, you come there. Then the third icon that has 3 dotted lines is where you can bring image from your gallery. It's still the same as the first. In this plus here, can you see we have from gallery? So it's still the same as this use image from gallery. So the next one is full screen. If you want to go to full screen mode, then you can switch back. Then use image from camera. Can you see? So to take to your camera, you snap automatically. Okay, using the PixelLab, but we don't need that for now. And it's taking me back. So the next icon is image size. And you see that's the size of the background of your design. You are going to be learning that in the training. Okay, now recover autosave. That's something that I have saved before. Then open PLS file. You won't be needing all this. Okay, so this one is about an exit. Then the next icon that is showing is, let's say, let me bring in something. Can you see this icon? I'm bringing another thing. This icon that is showing like a pencil. Okay, once you click on it, below the plus icon, beside the delete, once you click on the pencil to pop up these icons. This first one means to write text, which is the pencil itself. Then the second one that is like layer that is laying on top of themselves is to copy. Then if you come below, the text is to bring in text automatic. Can you see? Or text size. Can you see the size of your text? The one that has TT. Then the one that has 2 direction is to switch your text. okay, the angle of your text. Okay, go ahead and check them all. Then this one is to center align your project when you are working. Then the next one is your color bucket. Can you see? Then the next one is also a color bucket. Can you see? Or align. And you see, you can go ahead and, but you won't be needing all that. Then the next icon is delete. Okay, so we have this icon that is showing back direction. Can you see? It means to undo your work or to redo what you have done. You understand? Like you made a mistake and you want to go back. Once you tap on it once, it's going to take you back to your previous stage. Okay, so the next icon that has search and plus is to zoom. And you see, to zoom your work. So you are not going to zoom for now. So once you click on it and you use your two finger to increase it on the screen, like use your two finger to slide either ways on the screen, it's going to zoom. Then once you tap on it back, the zoom will go off. Then the next icon that has like wire mesh is your grid line. Your grid line is your guideline, your ruler. Okay, in PixelLab, you also be learning how to use your ruler in one of the training, in the training course rather. Then the other icon is your layer. Okay, what is layer? Layer is something that is relying on top of another thing, or when something is on top or below another thing. That is what a layer is. So that is your layer. Your layer is where you can access your work easily. See, you can lock. Okay, this text now has been locked. It won't move again. Let me show you. I want to lock everything. And you see, I won't be able to pick anyone at all. But immediately I unlock some, I'll be able to pick those ones that are unlocked. Can you see? So guys, aside of the text, you can also lock many other things and hide them. This icon that is showing like eyes, once you click on it, you hide your work. Then you can see the pencil and the delete icon too. It means to copy, like the normal pencil that is at the top left here. Okay, so go ahead and explore it. Then when you come below here, you see my project. My project is where your works have been saved from this save as project at the top. That is where they are going to be saved, all your work. Okay, so the default means to pick a default page on PixelLab. You have custom designs here. All these ones are built-in templates that you can use and play with. This one is for YouTube thumbnail. And you see, this one is 1080 by 1080. This is 1080 by 1080. You can go back to default. You can create your own default size too. So guys, go ahead and explore the app. And the next icon that is showing A, if you switch to A, okay, once you click on it, you see the pop-up menu. The first one is text. Okay, you see the same as this text at the top here. Then once you bring in a text, you see that you'll be able to edit that text. Once you have clicked on it, you see that you'll be able to edit it. So the first icon is to edit, that's to write the text, like you want to write your own text. Then the next icon is to delete. Let's undo. Then copy. Can you see, you have various settings. Most of the settings at the top, they are also below too. Okay, so it depends the one that will be fast for you. So I like PixelLab a lot because you design from scratch with PixelLab and it's all on your smartphone. Okay, so you can send your work to the front. Okay, let's bring in a shape. I'm going to show you. So let's send this shape now. Okay, once you bring in a shape, and you want to edit the shape, ensure the icon is not on this A or on this place or on this layer. Make sure the icon is here, the blue line rather, okay, so that you'll be able to edit anything, shape or vectors, image, anything that you bring from your phone. Okay, so once you click on go to back, can you see it has gone to the back of the text, and it's also going to be showing from the layer here, from the layer panel. You can also click and drag it up to send it to the front, or you click and drag it down to send it to the bottom from here too. Can you see? Just click on it. Once it has shown like this, drag it to any direction you want to drag it to. Okay, can you see? And you can also do it from here too, back and front. Can you see? So the settings is also on the layer. Then you have the position. Your position is your notch is measured in pixels. Pixels are a very small unit, so you can just use this direction button, direction icon, to move your work. Okay, this is good for beginners so that your work will be straight. Okay, don't rely on using your hand on the screen all the time. This direction position button, ensure to use it too, okay, so that your work will not be scattering. Now we also have the relative position key. The relative position key will help you move your work to a position that you want, or you want to centralize it. Ensure to get familiar with all these tools, as we are going to be using them in the training. Now we have the relative size. Okay, it's to increase the box. Can you see? You can also click and drag on the bounding part to increase it. Okay, then still on that text, so those are various settings that you can give to a text. Okay, you can increase the size and reducing it. Can you see? So we are working on text and shapes. Okay, so let's finish with the shape. For the shape, you can also change the color. Can you see? There are gradients. You can set gradients. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get various ways by which you can set gradients for your designs. Okay, for free. All our videos are free. Don't be scammed. Okay, so you can also texture means backfilling your image. Okay, backfilling your image with color or shape or anything. See, now I'm going to texture our image with this color. Let me just pick this pink part. So I have to remove it from that gradient first. Okay, so you can go ahead and try that. Once you go on, pick a color, it's going to texture by itself. You don't need that in this training. Opacity is to reduce the transparency. Okay, then you have color filter. That's to check the color adjustment layer. Then you can add stroke. Okay, let's say you want to add stroke, red stroke. Can you see? Stroke is the color of the corner rounding this box. Now that's the stroke. It's on red stroke. So can you see? Once you click on it, the next thing is eraser. You can erase any part. All you need to do is just look below, click on this icon below and drag it. Then that's the length of the pencil. Then this is the thickness. Can you see? You can erase any part of the box. Are we following? Then the next icon is mask. Mask means to cut out a particular section. Okay, you can just decide to pick a particular section and cut it out. Either you cut it in or you cut it out. Are we following, guys? Can you see? So the next thing is eraser. Eraser means to erase white parts. Eraser will only erase the white part, the lighter part. Okay, you can use it for logo and various things. Okay, you can rotate, 3D rotate, 3D shape, perspective, you can add shadow. Okay, we are not going to be using all those 3D designs, but ensure to practice all these other settings on an image or a shape so that you get familiar with it. So all these settings, let's hide this shape. All these settings also apply for the text too. Can you see? It's almost the same thing with that one. So that the text, you can bend it. Okay, and you can add bold text. Okay, so I'm just doing this to show you how the interface is. You'll be learning more during the training course. You can align your work, you can add spacing, you can add stroke, shadow as well. So this next icon, I've told you that when you want to use this icon is when you want to edit a shape or a picture. Okay, so you can bring in all these icons below are icons that you can also get once you bring in. Let's say I bring in a shape now, and you see everything is there, mask, erase, everything is there now. Can you see? Let's delete it. So you can't edit the text while this bounding box is showing here. No, you can't edit the text. Okay, it's only shapes and image. Then you have your background. Okay, this layer that is showing, this is your background. This layer icon below is also a background. So from there you can pick the background color that you want. Are we following? Then you can also make it transparent. If you want a pure PNG image, just click on this transparency. You're going to bring it. Then you can set the sizing for your design. You can crop when you have an image. Also, you can bring in image from your phone or cool templates, then from gallery and camera. So guys, ensure to watch this video over again so that you get a grasp of what we are going into. Once again guys, don't forget that Rex loves you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow the Facebook page so that you get more insight on how to use PixelLab and make cool money this year. Peace.